how to connect Instagram to your Meta Business Suite. So just go ahead and log into whichever account you want to do this, or connect your Instagram in or from, and then navigate yourself to the left bar, which should just have your settings. Inside your settings, you're gonna have to find the account section, and then you'll be able to find the Instagram accounts. Press on that, and it should show something like this, which should of course say there isn't any Instagram accounts added yet. So just go ahead and press on the add button here or in the top right corner in order to add your Instagram account, or to technically connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite account. So you'll be asked to log into the Instagram account you want to add, and then once you log in, it'll be moved into this specific business portfolio. You can assign more people to help manage the Instagram account and whatnot, but once you have all this information in, as you can see, there's more here if you'd like, just go ahead and press on add Instagram account. It's then just gonna do an Instagram ad request. Just go ahead and follow up with the process, and once you do so, you should have pretty much finished connecting your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.